Okay, I'm here at my favorite Goodwill here in Colorado Springs. Sarah's right up front, and we've got a couple of friends, so let's see who we're picking with. Coming into Goodwill. Let's see what happens.
Oh my god, it's a weird Beatles flamingo.
Wow, that is weird.
What in the world?
Weird.
Somebody decoupaged this Beatles flamingo.
What you got?
I think this is something you would like. 8mm.
Oh, heck yeah.
And look at
Are
all
they
the
in there?
all of
Oh,
them.
they're in there.
Look, and they're dated. Some of them are dated. Look, this one's dated. Look,
I found the
Oh, there it is.
tackiest thing ever.
Sarah, what in the world?
It is a decoupaged Beatles flamingo. It is a hot mess express. All you need is love on
And a flamingo.
penguin's underbelly. No, wait,
Look.
I mean a flamingo.
and it's got silk flowers on top of it.
I think the silk flowers on top are
That's
a nice
a deal.
touch. Good
Look.
God, that's terrible.
Buffalo River, 476.
Oh, cool. That's a great score. Yeah, let's get them all. Thank you, Amy.
Clark, this one's got a black line through it.
Oh, that's probably a new.
Dum. We know what happened to JFK.
Oh, these are cool. Opera glasses. With its case? Yeah, of course. Gotta do that. How much is that? $2.99. I can do that. What else we got here? Stephanie, what'd you find?
I found some lusterware little,
Ooh.
I think almost like a, they could be like a little salt dish,
Oh, nice.
but they're
They're
all,
pretty.
oh, they're really pretty.
A lot of littles here. Okay, so check out what Amy just found for me. This really cool wood piece. It's handmade. It's got felt on it, so I don't know who did it yet or if it's initialed. But yeah, it looks like an ashtray, but definitely can be a nice catch-all. Really cool find.
Look at this thing.
Oh my gosh.
It's Boston Red Sox. Let's go have a ball game.
Oh my god, this is cool.
I think so.
Oh, it's got like working parts and everything. Oh my gosh, guys, it's
Old Country
$9.
Baseball. It has a website on the bottom, so
Oh,
it's
bummer.
probably reproduction. It's reproduction.
It's fun though. I may have to take it home and play with it. That's what she said. Really like the stoneware. It's totally worth doing. Ooh, that's different. Let's give it a shot. Oh, they're fighting over it. They're fighting over who's gonna give it to who.
Are you sure?
What a great find.
Because if
Well,
you
hey.
want it or you want to sell it,
That's a
it's
great
damn
find.
good.
Hey, listen.
It is a great
Best
find.
2 out of 3.
I love this.
I know.
Oh wow.
Okay, I found that.
Oh, no. And look what Sarah just brought. Sarah just brought this from the window. Holy cow. When you pick in groups of 4, you can get everything you need.
Okay, we're doing best
Wow.
2 out of 3. Hands,
Heck yeah.
rock, paper, scissors.
Oh my God.
Okay, so we made it over to the Ark. We're about to have some dinner, but we wanted to stop by. So yeah, a nice little Viking dish for $3.99, but that is going to be half off, so $2, so why not? Clear glass. So stumbled on this guy. Look at him. Uh-oh. What's happening? Oh, wow. He's interesting. Set him down. He's taking a nap. Oh, here, I found an owl for you. He's kind of dirty.
But he's kind of cute.
He's like a beanbag.
God.
Uh-oh, that wasn't us.
For once.
Sarah, was that you?
He's like cute.
He's kind of cool. Oh, look at this. Wow. Oh my God. Okay, that's heavy. That is definitely crystal. Gosh, that's beautiful for holidays. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to do that. Make sure this top looks good. Oh, look at my dirty thumb. Yeah. That's a beaut. Okay. Okay, I heard some noise over here. Oh, there they are. So what have we? Holy cow!
I think this is one of those Napco cookie jar
Oh my
houses.
gosh, just like the one that we have.
It's so cute. And look at all the little cookies.
Is that a cashew or
It's
a
only-
baguette? This one right here, what's that?
It might be a little cashew. $3.99.
Jeez, Sarah.
I'm gonna get this.
Oh, another clear glass.
Clear glass.
Wow,
Ellie Smith.
great find. Wow. There's Sarah. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. Flowers intact. Ooh. I can do that price. Golden dogwood. I don't know who the maker is, but I'm pretty sure it's mid-century. Definitely gonna grab that. Okay, let's see what else we can find. Got a broken Halloween. Ooh. It's not Halloween. That's pretty nice. Let's see if this door opens. It does. Let's do this. Yeah. Okay, I'm coming. I found a bird cage. Ba-da-ba-da. New cart. Yes. Okay. This is working out. God, it's so pretty. I don't think it's that old. I'm gonna just snatch it for now and look it up because it's worth a Google. Let's look and see what's clear. Oh, holy cow. Oh my gosh. That is huge and heavy. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's Imperial. Oh, I got it. Okay. No worries. Thank you. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's Imperial. I'm gonna let Sarah look at that. I think it's totally worth doing. That's Federal. Nice little Federal dish. How much is it? 4. Got military discount today, so I'm gonna do that. Nice little piece. Let's see what else I can find. Yeah, so that was funny. A lady came up and she was thinking I was gonna drop it. And I was like, no, it's okay, I got it. Pretty. A lot of clear. Oh, this basket's kind of neat. It's got a break right there though. Broken. Oh, this matches the red one I just got. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna have to do this one. That's fun. Not feeling Christmas right now. Oh my gosh. Oh, I almost missed these. Yamaji. Oh my gosh, they're in good condition too. $2.99 each. I can do that. Namaji, Minnesota. Really beautiful pottery. Love those guys. Ooh, they've got a little stein here. Oh, that's nice. It's a little itty bitty stein made in Germany. Mannheim. Cool. Gonna get that. So I think we're done here. I'm gonna go meet up with the girls and show them what I got. So I do believe this is a mid-century modern piece. It has that really cool like tiger eye style to it. So I'm definitely gonna grab that. Of course, we've got our Costa Boda. This will pair nicely as choice with the red one, ruby red one I just got. And yeah, gonna have to get those. So good day here at this Goodwill on Kelly Johnson in Colorado Springs. Let's go find the ladies and get out of here. All right, that's it. That's it for me thrifting. We're gonna go to a flea market with Sarah, Stephanie, and Amy. Bye guys.